Meet your goat thief. Let's call him Magaman. And his accomplice, let's call him Short Pants. The story goes like this. On Monday, June 12th, these two men and their cronies went on a robbery spree in 3 Clarendon communities, where they stole at least 44 goats. 14 in Sandy Bay, 20 in Burnt Ground, and 10 in Savannah Cross, where we caught up with them. At approximately 2:20 a.m., Magaman was caught on CCTV footage stealing 4 of the 10 goats stolen in Savannah Cross that night. In the footage, Short Pants can be seen briefly pacing outside the pen, which got the goats' attention. A few moments passed, then the goats seemed to be really spooked. This was because Magaman was trying to enter the pen. Magaman eventually entered and proceeded to put a rope around the neck of one goat. He then cut a piece from that rope, which he then used to tie a second goat. Magaman then used another piece of rope to tie a third goat. He then led the 3 goats he had tied out of the pen, and the kid followed its mother. Four more goats for the butcher's knife, and perhaps your dinner table. Magaman and Co. is off with his stolen goods valued at about $135,000 just for these 4. But not before he is frozen in time for the world to see. The matter was reported to the May Pen police, who said they cannot do much without a license plate number for the vehicle used to transport the stolen animals. But unfortunately, the vehicle was not captured on camera.